She's up here waiting on me. She's knocked her water over, so we're gonna get it. And the flies are coming back, so we're gonna get her some fly medicine here. Alright, sweet girl, let's get this taken care of. Got the water filled up here. She's waiting. Chickens are over here getting jealous. Here's a new Brahma rooster. So we have a variety of chickens, so we get all the different colored eggs. This guy's new, but he's getting along with everybody. So, but this girl's wanting her treats and she needs some fly medicine, so we're going to fix that. She's not liking this, but it's going to help. This is the spray that keeps the flies off of her. Now you got to mix it just right, and then I put it, we'll make sure you get that on her. So that'll get rid of the flies, so now she gets her treats. And this is what she likes, this and her apple treats. So we'll get them. Honey, you want your treats? You want your treats? Alright, come here. Good girl. Yeah, you spilled some. You spilled some. Peaches. Come here. Good girl. I'm gonna get that grass out of your mouth. Good girl. We'll get her one more handful here. Peaches, you're a good girl. Come here. Don't get my fingers. Don't get my fingers, okay? Don't get my fingers. Don't get my fingers. Good girl. You're a sweetheart. Make sure you didn't spill any. You gotta get them all picked up. Yeah. You sweet girl. You sweet girl. If it seems like she's really close, she is. She's right in my face. But she's a sweet girl. She's a sweet girl. Okay, we're gonna get your sweet feed now and we'll leave you alone. Good night, Peaches. I gotta go check on everybody else. You're a sweet girl. Now you critters are up next. Alright, time for you big guys to go to bed. Turkeys, ducks, geese. It's bedtime. There's Geraldine. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Miss Geraldine. Yes, honey. Hey, sugars. Sweet girl. Alright, I'm coming.